Theme 9, Sub-Theme 1, Me and My Nature.
This place is so beautiful. Hey, where is our ma'am? She must be reaching any time. Come on, children. Let me take you around this place and show you how people make the place dirty and what should we do to keep it clean and make others do too. Oh, ma'am, look at that. That auntie is washing clothes and all the dirty, soapy water is getting into the pond. And ma'am, there is fish in the water. What will happen to it? Ma'am, they're washing a cow too in the water. See, we must tell this lady not to wash clothes here and tell her that because of it, the animal will get harmed. Ma'am, what if someone slips on that banana peel? Ma'am, how do plants feel? When their flowers are being plucked or when they are being cut? Let us go to them and tell them that it is wrong to do such activities. Let us go back to our classrooms now, where we will be joined by other students who had gone to the museum. So children, we all have to save our nature. Look at page number 61. These people are doing the right things. Ma'am, the water is so clean now. Look, some children are planting new saplings.